tell you that how you apply the link in Microsoft Excel. For this we use the formula of hyperlink. As you see here, google.com, and I have applied the link of this website. If I click on this, it will directly taken me to google.com website. How I do this? I make the link of hotmail.com. Same here, I can write here is equal to hyperlink, then link location you can go to. We are making the link of hotmail.com, so I go here on hotmail.com. Okay, first we go to Google, right here Hotmail, and click here. This is the website of Hotmail. So I can copy this link, then again I can go to this and write here the link location, which is this, then again comma, inverted comma, start, and I can write the name here, and the name is website, and then bracket no, yes, some mistake is this will be given in inverted commas, same inverted commas here, sorry, here. Again I will hit enter, and this is the link of hotmail.com. I can select here, same taken me to this website. Again I will create the link for msn.com. For this, first I can go to the website of msn.com. Again same formula, as this is the link of msn.com, and again I will copy this link, again use the formula of hyperlink, then inverted comma start, paste the link, inverted commas closed, again comma, what it say, friendly name. Again I will write here website, inverted commas closed, close. This is the link for msn.com. For check I can click here, and this is the website of msn.com. In this way you can add the hyperlink in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly subscribe my channel so that you can get more videos and notification on Excel. Thanks.